We are? Wow. Alright, so we gotta fix this session. Alright, so here's this Luh Kel session. Oh lord. We don't have anything in these ad libs, so we're gonna make hide and make an active. Hide and make an active. Alright, so we definitely have some routing that's fucked up in here. So if this sounds off, that's why.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. Cause they want my target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. In and out, in and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low.
Yeah, so let's clean this up. Let's just say, Andrew, do it as if you were literally gonna just clean it off. Like, clean it as if, hold on. As if you were gonna redo the whole thing, because that's probably what we're gonna do. I don't know. I recorded this song like a year ago, so I'm not really worried about Kel or his team or anyone really coming. They're not wondering where this song is at. They are so not worried about this song. All right, so what we're going to do is convert this auxiliary track into a routing folder. I like to do it like this because it's simple. So, fuck. Not only are we going to do that, though, we're going to make this mono. Fuck. All right, so we're going to make this inactive. Hold on, just keep on mono, routing folder, mono vax comp. All right, and we're going to go in here. Submaster, we're going to send that to the submaster. Mono vax comp. What was our auto-tune settings? We're not going to use this auto-tune. We have A flat major soprano. All right, A flat soprano. We said it's A flat major, not minor. We'll keep it like this for now. We'll do classic. So what's our... Oh my goodness. Let's not do this. You see this rookie EQ that I did? We're just going to make it inactive for now. So I'm not going to get rid of this EQ. Also, I'm not going to save over this because, you know, there's always a chance that we ruin it. So you guys... version 2 live stream. Great. So I'm just gonna keep the auto tune on. So we're gonna do fab filter. We're just gonna round out that low, anything below like 75, like that. Just for now. And we're going to have it go, so we should be good.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless.
Yeah. They want my target. So we're going to turn off all of our mastering stuff because we don't need any of this stuff yet. Oh my goodness. And it's also going to just mess with us. What we got in here? We got de-esser. We're literally getting rid of everything. We are pretty much starting this all over as if it was... So what I like to do is I like to separate all my mono and stereo vocal stuff. I like to work in mono. So we're gonna just route our bus mono vocal channel. Vocal channel. So Avalon. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless.
Yeah, we got some mud.
Cause I want to target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. I'm in and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low, hip scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm on my way up to the top.
So obviously, let's bump it.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless.
Pull down that gain.
Cause I want to target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. I'm in and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low, hip scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm on my way up to the top. Remember time we was alone and we ain't have a lot. I'm on my way up.
So we got some reverb already over here. Man, I don't even use any of these settings anymore. That's crazy. I literally use none of these settings anymore.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. Cause I want to target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had.
Yeah, so we need to do that slap.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. Cause I want to target.
If you guys want to get this virtual mix rack, it's literally $15 a month by Slate Digital. I love it.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. Cause I want to target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. I'm in and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low, hip scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my.
I want to find this like harshness in his like, that's in that like range.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless.
It's typically around 12 to 1500.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. Cause I want to target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. I'm in and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low, hip scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm on my way up to the top. Remember time we
So I need to we need to pull this back. I already know this is gonna be like that. So
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless.
we're
Cause
gonna,
they want target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. In and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't tiptoe, better get low, hip scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm
like 2,800 sounds really like telephony in a sense, like wonky.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. Cause they want target. Yeah. They rip my heart right.
So I like to use the meta plugin. I'm gonna route some stuff real quick. Give me 1 second. I'm looking for it. Poig tech. We need to. So if you're wanting to see what we got this Poig tech.
They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless.
Let's add like a little bit to that low.
Cause they want target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. In and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low, hip scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm on my way up to the top. Remember time we was alone and we ain't have a lot. I'm on my way up. We don't trip, they don't phase us. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't lay up.
So let's grab. Let's see what this is.
Backwards and I'm falling. In and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low, hip scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm on my way. We don't trip, they don't phase us. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't lay up. Vroom, 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 like a race truck. Like a race truck. I skir like a race truck. I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. In and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home.
I mean, I think this sounds a whole lot better than what it did. Am I right? Am I right or am I right? Or am I wrong?
They want target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. In and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low, hip scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm on my way up to the top. Remember time we was alone and we ain't have a lot. I'm on my way up. We don't trip, they don't phase us. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't lay up. Vroom, 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 like a race truck. Like a race truck. I skir like a race truck. I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. I'm in and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low, hit scotch. Tick, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm on my way up to the top. Remember time we was alone and we ain't have a lot. I'm on my way up. We don't trip, they don't phase us. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't lay up. Vroom, 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 like a race truck. Like a race truck. I skir, like a race truck. I'm on my way up. I'm on my way up. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. I'm in and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home.
Yeah, this is Luh Kel. He's from my hometown. You know, we did a couple sessions before locked in and shit. So I got this is one of the what I would say a throw me away. So which is why I'm doing the mixing live. I would never actually mix a song. I would not mix a whatchamacall, an actual like legitimate song that I plan on being rolled out live unless if I had the consent of an artist. Now obviously since this is an industry artist, I didn't want to obviously just I know this song is not going anywhere. So I figure we can now just export it and see how it sounds when we compare it to the last version. Let's do that. So here is the original version.
Heart right out my chest. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless.
Going to the new version.
Cause they won't target. Cause they won't target. Yeah. They rip my heart right out my chest until I'm heartless. She had my heart inside her hands until she lost it. You had my back, I had your back until you crossed it. I was at the top, but now I'm backwards and I'm falling. I'm in and out, I'm alone. I'm in and out, can't find my way home. Tiptoe, better get low, hit scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wrist. Tiptoe, better get low, hit scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm on my way up to the top. Remember time we was alone and we.
You could tell the old one sounds flat. It sounds like it's just a brick. It sounds like the vocal doesn't like sit in there. It just sounds like the vocals like spread out. The new mix that we did with this Luh Kel song sounds way more prominent. The vocal tone sounds cleaner. It doesn't sound so rookied as like how the other version did.
Tiptoe, better get low, hit scotch.
Now listen to the old one.
Tiptoe, better get low, hit scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch.
Sounds so boxy. I'm gonna play it one more time. Here's a new one.
Tiptoe, better get low, hit scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch.
Old one.
Tiptoe, better get low, hit scotch. TikTok, wasting time on my wristwatch. I'm on my way.
It just sounds to me not night and day from a rookie EQ to good EQ, which the good EQ I did wasn't even that good. It was just something like you guys saw how quick I did that. Wasn't even anything crazy.